In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create flowcharts in Canva. Flowcharts are a fantastic way to visualize processes, simplify complex systems, and convey information effectively. Whether you're a student, a business professional, or just someone who loves organizing ideas visually, learning to create flowcharts can be incredibly beneficial. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can create stunning flowcharts using Canva. To begin with, you'll want to head over to Canva, which you can easily access through a web browser. Once you're on the Canva homepage, locate the search bar prominently displayed at the top, type in flowchart and press enter. This simple act of typing will bring up a plethora of flowchart templates that are ready for you to explore. Canva offers a diverse array of designs, so take your time sifting through the options to find one that aligns with your needs or aesthetic preferences. Once you find a template that catches your eye, it's time to select it. Clicking on your chosen template will give you a closer look, offering you a preview and the opportunity to ensure it matches what you had in mind. Now comes the exciting part. When you're ready, click on Customize this template. This is where the magic happens, as it allows you to adapt the chosen design to fit your specific requirements. As you're customizing, a key area you may want to tweak is the text. You might have specific titles, steps, or details you want to incorporate into your flowchart. Simply click on the text boxes within the template and you'll be able to edit them easily. Altering the text can be as simple as double-clicking on a box and typing in your desired content. Feel free to adjust the font style, size, and color as well to suit your taste or the theme you are aiming for. As you edit, consider the overall layout and flow of your chart. It's important that the sequence of information is logical and easy to follow. If you need to move elements around, you can click and drag shapes or lines to rearrange them, ensuring the flowchart maintains clarity and visual appeal. Throughout the editing process, remember there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Your flowchart should reflect the unique process or idea you aim to communicate. Also, don't hesitate to explore Canva's range of tools to further personalize your diagram, whether it's by adding additional shapes, customizing colors, or integrating images. Once you're satisfied with how your flowchart looks, the last step is saving and exporting your design. Canva conveniently allows you to download your work in various formats, making it easy to share or print. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on crafting flowcharts in Canva. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating insightful and visually engaging diagrams. Happy designing!